what are the accounting solutions and reporting solutions that you should look for in your business once you've got going. Hello, my name's Ashwin from Aventum Consulting, and this video is being brought to you by the town of Vic Park. So the two most common accounting softwares in Australia are probably Xero and MYOB for most businesses to run their reports. Now what I'd say is it's up to you to choose the right solution for you, and that's working closely with your accountant to work out what's most cost effective and what might be the right idea for your business. But what I'd like to probably talk about is the reports you can run through them. So probably the most common reports is actually having some management accounts, and management accounts probably include quite a few different things like your profit and loss and your balance sheet, which will show you, profit and loss shows you what you're making in a period of time. So it might be from the start of the year till the last month. And your balance sheet shows you what you're worth. So it shows you what you're finally worth at the end of that period of time. But what we find drives a lot of businesses is their cash flow. So you probably want to run a cash flow report to understand how your cash is going and where it's going in and out of the business. And probably the other two reports that help you with that is your accounts receivable, and that's people that owe you money, and the other one's your accounts payable, and that's the money that you owe to other people. So you might think you're in a really good position in your business because your cash at bank's really good, but you might owe people a lot of money. And if you don't know that, then it gives you the false sense of security, and vice versa the other way. You might have a really low balance, but you've got a lot of money owed to you. So it's really understanding all those reporting together and probably doing it on a regular basis. So we find most people like to look at things either monthly or quarterly, so they have an idea of where they're going. Now, you don't always need your accountant. There's plenty of books and videos to help you understand and read these reports, but I think it's also important to sit down with someone that's maybe not yourself, so you remove what we call your own bias from reading those reports. You might think you're okay, but you haven't actually looked at it and questioned it a bit harder, and that could be with your partner, it could be with a friend, it could be with another business owner that you know, but it's always worthwhile to do it, and it keeps you accountable. So as a business owner, it sometimes gets lonely where you are, and it's really important to ask other people, and it maybe gives you that drive to get better and what you need to work on. So reach out to advisors or other business owners to help you on your journey as you go through. But I'd highly recommend sitting down with your accountant and coming up with a set of reports that help you understand where your business is going and what you might need to do to improve.